What's going on, everyone? Got an Audi SQ5 key fob here today. I'm gonna show you to open it to change the remote battery. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. You have a button on the side here. On the side here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze it like this. Squeeze both buttons at the same time, and then you're gonna pull the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. Okay, so you can see the buttons here on the sides. Releases the emergency key. Now once we have the emergency key out of the way, we're going to do it again. We're going to push the button on the side, and we're going to wiggle the battery holder out. Okay, just wiggle it. And again, you want to have the remote with the buttons facing down, as you can see this is the battery right here, and here's the holder. You just pull the battery out, and I'll show you what size the new battery is. The new battery size is going to be a CR2032 battery. The positive sign facing down in the holder, okay? Like that. If you need a battery, check down in the description box. I'm going to have the size and a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up some more batteries pretty cheaply, okay? Some like Duracells for like $2 a piece. Then we just get the holder, just stick it back into the key fob like this, push it in, okay, until it clicks in like that, and then you get your emergency key. And if it goes in and clicks together like that, you're all done. You know you have everything secure. Go and test it out, and you're done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment, let me know this worked, and I hope to see you again in another video.